Hello everyone, C++ introduction, and this is course in SoloLearn, and there is a big problem or small problem project for solving the problem alphabet. Let's go to solve this problem. This is a platform of the SoloLearn, and here the problem or the challenge. You have to pass this challenge so you complete the course. So this is the alphabet. It's array of letters from A to Z. This array of letters from A to Z. It's a simple. The task is to take a number and print the corresponding character for this number. So this one A, which in the location or the index 0, and this is for index 1, and so on until we A in the last where n minus 1. This is if there are 26 characters, this will be 25. Okay, so let's try this. First of all, we have to declare a variable n. It's integer variable. Okay, and then let the user enter the value for the n. So cn, and then this character and n and semicolon for closing this, and then cout, اللي هو array of n. So here inside there will be n and close by semicolon, and let's run. Okay, thanks for watching the video. If there is any question, don't hesitate to ask me, and I will reply you as soon as possible. Subscribe to the channel to reach every new and very useful videos we upload, and share the video with others through your social media like WhatsApp or Facebook, or and like the video. Thanks for watching the video.